Here's the news of the day.
Smith Myers, with Omnia Rep, aided the Italian fire brigade in rescuing a hiker in Valgrande using their Artemis mobile phone detection system, now deployed in global search and rescue operations.
Captain Steve Norris was named Pilot of the Year at the 2024 Air Ambulance's UK Awards for his 18 years of service, completing over 3,800 missions and showing dedication to patient care.
Joby Aviation secured FAA Part 141 certification for pilot training and Part 5 safety approval, advancing its plans to launch electric air taxi services with enhanced safety and streamlined training.
SkyDrive and JTB Corp have partnered to introduce eVTOL tourism in Japan, aiming to revitalize local economies with innovative aerial sightseeing experiences.
PALV and the Netherlands Aerospace Center completed rotor blade development for the Liberty flying car, advancing toward mass production with efficient, lightweight designs.
Nextant Aerospace received FAA certification for Starlink connectivity kits on Bombardier Global jets, aiming to expand to more models by 2025.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.